Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand the problem on DI of FFT. Here, we need to find the DFT of the given sequence x of n using DI of FFT, which is decimation in frequency fast Fourier transform. Here, they have given n is equal to 4. Since they have given x of n is equal to cos n pi by 2 and the value of n is equal to 4. That is why we can put n is equal to 0 to 3 to get the sequence of x of n. So, first if we put n is equal to 0 in this term, we will get x of n is equal to, the first term will be 1 if we put n is equal to 0 here. If we put n is equal to 1, we will get 0. If we put n is equal to 2 in this term, we will get minus 1, and if we put n is equal to 3 in this term, we will get 0. So, this is the sequence of x of n for which we need to find the DFT. So, from this sequence we can write x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 0, x of 2 is minus 1 and x of 3 is again 0. Now, we need to find the output at this point. So, here the input is 1 plus. So, for this point we are getting the signal from this line. So, it is minus 1, 1 plus of minus 1, it is 0. Now, we need to find the output at this point. It is 0 plus. So, we are getting the signal from this line which is 0. So, the output is 0. Now, we need to find the output at this point. So, it is minus 1 into minus 1, it is 1 plus this value is 1. So, it is 2. Again this value should be multiplied with this 1 before writing the answer. So, it is 2 multiplied with 1, it is 2. Now, to find the output at this point, it is 0 plus 0 multiplied with minus j, it is 0. Now, these intermediate values will act as input to the next stage. Now, let us find the output at this point. It is 0 plus, we are getting the signal from this line, it is 0. So, it is 0. So, x of 0 is equal to 0. Now, to find the output at this point, it is 0 plus 0. So, x of 2 will also be equal to 0. Now, to find the output at this point, it is 2 plus 0. So, x of 1 is equal to 2. So, to find the output at this point, it is 2 minus 0. So, we will get x of 3 as 2. Finally, we can write the DFT as x of k is equal to 0 to 0 2. So, this is the DFT of the given sequence using DI of FFT. This is about the problem on DI of FFT for n is equal to 4. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.